Yo, what's going on? So in this video, I want to do a quick breakdown on my thoughts of the market, and pretty much just how I'm trading, how I'm looking to trade the market this year. Now, when it comes to GU, as you see, I got multiple. I got multiple pairs on my watch list, but the only pair that I've been trading for the last, I want to say, 6 to 8 months is GU. I stopped trading GJ. Well, it haven't been 6 to 8 months because I stopped trading GJ like mid September. I just wasn't having any luck with GJ. Me personally, GJ is a good pair. It does move. It is volatile, but um, I just found myself losing a lot of money and blowing accounts. And I got to that point where I was getting depressed, and I'm like, you know what? To hell with GJ at this point. So I found, and then I'm like, why am I not trading a United States pair? Um, when it's just easier to trade a pair that's in your country. So it made me put the dollar index on my. That's why I got the dollar index here right under GU because it had made me put the dollar index on my watch list, which played a significant role in my trading because if you pay attention, when the dollar is going down, we have GJ going up, GU going up. Well, we had a pound going up. So I'm like, damn, all this time I'm sitting here chasing the pair when I could just be making it. Because trading is a game of simplicity and a game of probability. So it's probability and simplicity, if you ask me. And the simplicity comes with just the little things. It's always the little things. So when it comes to GU, we're gonna back out and go to the daily. What I did notice was that we had price come from this strong selling momentum here, and then you had price move sideways before it broke up. Now, for me to look for long term buys, I would want to see price break above this zone here and kind of hold this zone, and then push into this area, and then I would know that we have a strong confirmation that price is looking to remain bullish. So right now, all of my buys would be just short term buys. Um, and I'm not looking to hold anything long term when it comes to GU on the buying side, only because, like I say, it's it's just you got the EMA here where price might hit the EMA and reject. There's just a lot of things that could potentially go wrong and looking long term right now for buys until you get that double confirmation. Now, another thing that I've been doing is marking up from Sunday to Sunday. So as you see, I got Sunday here to this Sunday, and I do have a lot of positions in between time. So you can see, like on this Sunday, we had price come up here, EMA break back under, and then you had price come here and retest this area here, and I took a sell here back down to this level, um, and that's it. That sell. Well, I didn't take a sell here. I marked this up as my breakout zone, and once price broke out of it, I took a sell down somewhere here. Yeah, because the sell was for I risked 8 pips for 14, somewhere around here. So nice 1-on-1, pretty much. Was it a 1-on-1? Let's see. Risk 8. Stop loss was 8. Oh no, my stop loss was I'm tweaking. This was a home run. This was 114 pips right here, and then price came back up, broke up. I took another one, stop loss 19 for 47 pips. My 47 pips, my bad. And then, like I said, from Sunday to Sunday, as you see, price move sideways. I did take a few positions here, which I shouldn't have took, and it's something that I do have to pay attention to when journaling. Is that price came here, created a selling, created a floor, selling, and then you did have a lot of upwards momentum within the lows, so a lot of higher lows, but you never had any new higher highs to break this level. But you did after last week's Sundays, you did have a pull up out of this zone and a new higher high and a new higher a new higher high and a new higher low, showing that it was bullish pressure in the market, and then you had another push up that by that Wednesday going into Thursday, and then you had a new higher low and a new higher high. So then price could have been bought here, and then you could have took it back up to around here, which would have gave you approximately, let's just say you didn't get all, with spreads and everything you got in about right here, would have gave you about 180 pip game. So that would have been a nice one. But here's the thing: when you trading a lower time frame, you got nothing but noise, and with all of that noise, it'll trick you from seeing this position being played out, because that's what it did for me. With all the noise that I had on my chart, I wasn't able to see this position here. So now another thing that's playing a big part into my trade, minus what I just shown, the Sunday to Sunday, me following up with the dollar index to show, to go in respect with the pound. So me seeing that when the dollar is going down, I'm expecting the pound to go up. When the pound is going down, so from, let's just look at the dollar from January, early January to the 13th. So early January, which would be right here, to the 13th. Bam. So you see how early January the 6th to the 13th, price just continue, just plummet to the bottom, right? Early January to the 13th, price incline. So it's just like I said, me trading GU, having a dollar index, is just more confirmation to my trade, because when I'm seeing the dollar going down and I'm trading against the dollar, well, then the pound is more than likely gonna go up. So it just make it more easy. And then another thing that I pay attention to is the trading economics. I have it on high impact, and I'm keeping up with the dollar and the pound. And as you see, we got news coming tomorrow, Tuesday, January 28th at 7:30 a.m. And I do trade news, because one thing I noticed that, um, with putting news into my trading, I have been able to catch those high probability trades, such as NFP, so forth and so forth. Like uh, tripping, we had NFP. I'm on the wrong chart. That's why I'm looking like, what the hell? We had NFP the beginning of January. No, yeah, was it? No, we had. I traded NFP December of last year, and I still didn't like this. This is my original chart. So as you see, we had NFP that Friday. As you see, we had price come up, pull back, and then I took a buy here for I risked pretty much 20 pips for 40 pips, so a 2 to 1, which was pretty decent, all based off of NFP. I waited for the news to come out. As you see, this trade was taken around. Let me see. I had to go down, but it had to be like 7:30 or something like that. So that was based off of NFP. And then another thing that I pay attention to is the forex market hours, just to let me know when this crossover. As you see, this map will show you when it's when price volume is at its highest, as well as when price volume is at its lowest. So I implemented that into my trading as well. That's pretty much it.